And here's how to add or embed Google Forms in Wix website. Edit your Wix website and select the exact page where you want to embed your Google form, and scroll down and navigate to the section. And now open a new tab and open Google Forms and open the exact form that you want to embed. And from the form page, click on this three dot, and here click on Get Pre-filled Link. And here scroll down and click on Get Link. And you have successfully copied embed code for the form. Now go back to your Wix website editor, and in this left hand menu click on Add Elements, and here click on embed code, and here select embed a website, and here select website address, and in this link box paste the Google form link that we just copied and click on Apply. And here we can see the Google form successfully embedded. Now we have to make this Google form full page. So you can just click this arrow and you can resize the Google form page just like so. And that's it. Here, as you can see, I've successfully embedded my Google form. Let's preview the final result. And now on, anyone will be able to easily fill up this Google form from my Wix website. Thanks for watching.